Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro again. Want to talk to you about our SPF4952. It's the rear bracket of the front lower control arm for the PQ35 VAG vehicles. That's all the the Audi A3s, the Golf 5s, 6s, the Skodas, the Seats. This is a repair part. It's not a high performance part. We've made this bush to replace the rubber OE bush in the rear position. It's not bonded to the alloy bracket. It's a pop-in bush. It has a 95 duro insert that goes into the rear bushing. If you're replacing this bushing on the car because it is worn, you need to be looking at the front bush as well. The main cause of wear in this rear bush is the front bush. The 3346K should go with this bush as a standard replacement. That'll return the car to its standard performance with the extra built-in benefits of having SuperPro polyurethane in the car. So remember that. 4952K is a repair part for those Euro cars. Thank you.